Hello everyone, how are you everyone? My name is from Mechanical Engineering 24. On this occasion, I will present an article entitled The Process of Manufacturing and Eccentric LATHE Mechanic using the geometry. Abstract. Eccentric to mean only a few people know what it is. Eccentric LATHEs are usually used in the manufacture of machining components similar to crane heads. Exterior cleaning can be done in different ways, including the flash can be used with a flashing sheet. The second can be used with a virtual checks, and the third can be used with a tertiary checks. Next, introduction. The eccentric with a geocheck is used using four geochecks. In eccentric LATHE there are usually PROSES. Next, method. Extrusion process. The process of making mechanic component cannot be started from during a LATHE is a mechanical that functions to turn round. Okay. Next, fourth step. One step. Determine the engine speed. Number 2. Prepare the ground grains lights and finishing. And next one. 3. For installation of the workpiece. General installation and adjustments of LATHE around the workpiece. Next, discussion. In general, extrusion is a manufacturing process that is carried out on a LATHE with more than one axis of rotation of the workpiece. Conclusion. Based on the analysis of several considerations can be drawn as follows. Number one, Sealing in the extrusion process can be done in 3 ways. Namely, shifting the through using a front geochecks and a turn geochecks. Okay, thank you very much your attention. Terima kasih. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.